Hello again, toy car collectors. How's everybody doing out there? So these are pretty cool. Couple old Dodges. And these are both Johnny Lightnings. Now I just cracked this Super Bee open yesterday. That's a great looking car. Super cool. They got this Dodge Dart Stinger. I've had this one for a couple years now. I just thought these cars would look really cool together. Awesome cars. Thanks for watching, everybody.